Welcome to Books for Success. Today's video is about the fantastic book, The Simple Path to Wealth, by J.L. Collins. A chat about money. Imagine if managing your finances and building wealth was simpler than you thought. That's what this book is about, stripping down the complexities of money and investments to their essence. 1. Debt, the nasty reality. First things first. Debt is a cruel master. It's like having a leak in your boat. Before planning any journey, financial or otherwise, you need to plug that leak. This means prioritizing getting rid of debt, especially high-interest ones like credit card debt. 2. The importance of saving. Collins underlines the power of saving. It's not just about setting aside a portion of your earnings, it's about freedom. Every dollar you save is a step closer to financial independence. 3. The concept of foo money. Before we even talk about wealth, let's talk about foo money. It's the idea of having enough saved up that you can walk away from situations you don't want to be in. Whether it's a job you hate or a harmful relationship, having some savings gives you choices. 4. Avoiding financial advisors. Collins is pretty wary of financial advisors. Not because they're evil, but most of them prioritize their commissions over your best interests. Instead, he advocates for a self-directed approach to investing. 5. Stock market and its nature. The stock market isn't as complicated as it sounds. Think of it as a wild beast. It has its ups and downs, but it generally trends upward over time. The key is not to panic when it acts up. Markets will be volatile. Accept it and stay the course. 6. Power of index investing. Here's the big secret. Most professional fund managers don't beat the market consistently. So, instead of picking individual stocks, Collins suggests investing in index funds, especially the total stock market index funds. They're low cost and cover a broad spectrum of the market, offering diversification. 7. Bonds, the stabilizing force. While stocks are the wild beast, bonds are the stabilizer. They don't offer massive returns, but they provide a safety net. As you get closer to retirement or your financial goals, you'd shift more into bonds to protect your accumulated wealth. 8. Real estate and other complexities. Contrary to popular belief, real estate isn't always the best investment. It has its place, but it comes with complications like illiquidity, management issues, and market fluctuations. Collins suggests being cautious and understanding the real costs and benefits. 9. Handling money in times of crisis. When economic downturns or personal crises hit, it's easy to panic. Collins emphasizes the importance of having an emergency fund and sticking to your long-term investment strategy, even when things look grim. 10. Retirement, the ultimate goal. The whole point of building wealth is to have the freedom to live on your terms. When planning for retirement, consider factors like withdrawal rates from your investments, adjusting your portfolio, and understanding how much you truly need to maintain your desired lifestyle. 11. Teaching kids about money. Wealth isn't just for you, it's for the next generation too. It's essential to teach kids about the value of money, saving, and investing early on. This way, they're better equipped to handle their finances as adults. 12. A final note on simplicity. Collins wraps up by reminding readers that the path to wealth is simple, but not easy. It requires discipline, patience, and consistency. Avoid getting sidetracked by the latest financial fads or letting emotions drive decisions. Stick to the basics, and wealth will follow. To boil it all down, The Simple Path to Wealth is about understanding the core principles of money and investment, and then consistently applying them. The beauty lies in its simplicity. Stay out of debt, save regularly, invest in index funds, and be patient. That's pretty much the recipe for financial success. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, remember to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're hungry for more wisdom and want to support our channel and the remarkable authors we feature, subscribe and check out the links in the description. Your support not only helps us grow but also supports the authors who have dedicated their time to creating these life-changing works. Thanks for watching.